Are you ready for your surprise? Okay, this is a birthday present from Nana and Papa. You ready? Here it is. Oh, that's your very own scooter.
I'm gonna show you.
Watch what it does. What? Whoa! That's Ethan's scooter.
Yeah, and it lights up too.
Okay, let him try it out. Try it out.
Ethan, it's just like mine.
Daddy's not videotaping. No. It's fine. Why don't you get your scooter and go right beside him?
Oh, it's in the box.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Cool, dude. You like the color? It's orange. Get on it. Let's see how it goes. Woo! All right. Woo!
Job. Whoa.
Whoa! Hold on. Sorry, I was trying to. Hurry. That's cool. Here goes.
Good job.
Yeah!